I'm David Trader, CEO of Pathfinder Manufacturing. We work with 36 different high schools in Snohomish, North King, and Island County. But most of our students are special needs or at risk. The students come in and learn a wide variety of skills in the aerospace industry, which include machining, assembly work, rivet, wire harness building, shipping and receiving, quality assurance. While they're with us, they earn credits and get paid a wage. Our quality rating is 99.987. They take a lot of pride in making sure they get it done correctly the first time, and it ships out on time. We've been in business since 1991. We went through a name change 2.5 years ago to try to drive more business so we could help more students. What we keep hearing is, we had no idea you were out there, right? It's thanks to all the employees, the students, everybody here. Without them, we wouldn't be receiving these awards.